Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on the application of Google Wallet. You click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Google Wallet and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by